In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your reservation on Booking.com quickly and easily. Whether your plans have changed or you just need to adjust your itinerary, canceling a reservation is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure it goes smoothly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Booking.com account. You won't be able to access your reservations without being logged in, so this step is crucial. Once you're logged in, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the page. There you'll see your profile name. Give it a click. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for is bookings and trips. Go ahead and select that option. This section is where all your upcoming reservations are neatly organized, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Now, for clarity, as I walk you through this process, I'll be demonstrating with a demo account. You might notice some screenshots popping up on your screen for illustration purposes. Once you're in the Bookings and Trips section, you'll see a list of your future reservations. Now navigate through the list and locate the specific reservation you need to cancel. Click on that reservation, and this will open up the details associated with your booking. With your reservation details in front of you, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll spot the Cancel Your Booking option. Clicking on this button will initiate the cancellation process. You're then prompted to specify why you're canceling your reservation. Choose the reason that best fits your current situation from the provided options. At this stage, it's important to take note of any potential cancellation fees that you might incur. These fees are determined by the policy you agreed to when you originally made the reservation. To fully understand these policies, there will be a link available that provides a detailed breakdown of the cancellation terms. It's a good idea to read through this policy thoroughly if you haven't already. This will help ensure there are no unexpected surprises, especially when it comes to fees. Once you've reviewed everything and decided to proceed, click the Continue button, and just like that, your reservation will be canceled instantly. It's as simple as it sounds, and by following this guide, hopefully you've found the process to be both straightforward and stress-free. I trust this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.